Starting around 23 January 2024, Bitgert is exchanging at $0.00000014 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.01% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which is genuinely critical. Brise in every way that really matters has an especially complete market cap of $55,416,051, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,171,078 in a very enormous manner. This especially makes Bitgert, Brise, truly positioning at 477 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitgert generally be especially worth in 2024, which truly is genuinely huge? Is Bitgert an especially wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is genuinely critical? Will Brise cost basically outperform its record-breaking essentially high in an unobtrusive manner? These explicitly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, or so they for the most part thought. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2024, as per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Brise value sort of is supposed to commonly cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.00000021, the normal least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to really be $0.00000021 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Brise can for the most part arrive at a greatest value level of $0.00000024 in every way that really matters, huge way. Bitgert value conjecture January 2024. In January 2024, the genuinely greatest cost for Bitgert could in a real sense stretch around $0.00000016, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in January 2024 generally is $0.00000014, with a very normal cost of $0.00000015 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitgert value gauge February 2024, the normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could commonly go to $0.00000016 toward the finish of February 2024, in an exceptionally huge manner. Brise could in every way that really matters be exchanging around an all things considered most extreme worth of $0.00000016, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.00000015, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Brise value figure Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of Bitgert most certainly is estimated to explicitly be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.00000015, or so they really thought. The Bitgert value worth can fundamentally arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.00000017, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars, which sort of is very huge. Bitgert value figure April 2024, the essentially normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could sort of go to $0.00000017 toward the finish of April 2024, which truly is genuinely critical. Brise could basically be exchanging around in every way that really matters, most extreme worth of $0.00000018, with the by and large least expected cost of $0.00000016 in an especially huge manner. Bitgert value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Bitgert sort of is supposed to explicitly be at around a by and large least of $0.00000016, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert cost can basically arrive at an essentially limit of $0.00000018, with the genuinely normal cost of $0.00000017 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Bitgert value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the greatest cost for Bitgert could generally stretch around $0.00000019 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in June 2024 in every practical sense is $0.00000017 with a typical cost of $0.00000017, or so they truly thought. Bitgert Value Gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Bitgert truly is supposed to be at around a truly least of $0.00000017, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitgert cost can sort of arrive at a sort of limit of $0.00000020, with the sort of typical cost of $0.00000018 in United States dollars. Brise Value Gauge August 2024. The Bitgert conjecture for August 2024 expects that the Brise may essentially arrive at a really greatest worth of $0.00000021, with a genuinely least cost of around $0.00000018. Discussing the typical value, Brise can basically stretch around $0.00000018 for August in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitgert, Brise, Value Expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Bitgert cost is conjecture to for the most part arrive at a barely the least cost of $0.00000018, which generally is very huge. The Brise cost could sort of arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0.00000022, with the really normal expected cost around $0.00000019, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert Value Forecast October 2024. The cost of Bitgert truly is somewhat anticipated to generally reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.00000019 in October 2024 in an unobtrusive way. The Brise cost could arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $0.00000022, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.00000020 all through 2024, in spite of mainstream thinking. Brise Value Conjecture November 2024. The Bitgert figure for November 2024 expects that the Brise may basically arrive at a greatest worth of $0.00000023, with a base cost of around $0.00000020, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Discussing the by and large normal value, Brise can basically stretch around $0.00000021 for November in a truly significant manner. Bitgert Value Conjecture December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Bitgert is supposed to generally be at around an especially least of $0.00000021, so discussing the in every way that really matters, normal value Brise can essentially stretch around $0.00000018 for August in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitgert cost can sort of arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.000000